All right. Well, we've reached the end of our first 3 talk days of DjangoCon US.
No slide yet.
That's the slide.
Okay.
This has been a really amazing day, and the panel is so enriching to hear from all those perspectives, and it's really special to have all these people in one place to talk about these things together. I have a couple of small announcements and many thank yous, but first I want to reflect a little bit. So I'd ask everybody to think about when we took this picture. Think back to when you first showed up to this conference and to the version of yourself that you were at that moment. When you didn't know what was going to unfold in your experience in these halls. Imagine that as a seed. How well has it been nourished by the water and light of these past few days? Is your seed germinating? Are you finding some seed leaves forming? Maybe the first signs of the true leaves coming in? I hope you'll stick around for sprints the next 2 days and add a little bit more nourishment, fertilizer from our community. But either way, when you leave here, be sure to keep caring for yourself. As the panel just said, you've got to take care of yourself if you're going to take care of others. So get some rest. Get some quiet, some peace, but stay connected to the community. I'm excited to see how the seeds we sprouted here together grow over the coming year. And what they provide for the community in years to come. Because it's these gatherings that create these organizations that we're talking about, that we're celebrating. The future of Django, the new leaders are built in these gatherings. Trees for shade, fruit and vegetables for nourishment, stalks for support, and flowers for beauty. We have an amazing global garden in this community, and thank you all for being a part of it, for growing, and for helping others to grow. Sprints tomorrow. We'll see you at Cactus. We're going to have another round of COVID testing. You can grab a test on your way out today, so you can do one tonight and be ready. One late-breaking announcement is the Django Steering Council elections are coming soon. If you've been contributing to Django in any form, code, documentation, reviews, discussion, running events for 18 months or more, you're eligible to run for this. If you think you might want to be a leader for Django, here's a chance coming up. Keep an eye on the Django Mastodon account or the Django Forum announcement section for more details, and you can get email alerts from that announcement section with the bell icon. So on to the thank yous. I'll start with the sponsors. The financial support from these people, these organizations have made it possible to do all the cool things we do here. And we do a lot of cool things. So thank you, RevSys, Cactus, and Valky. To our gold sponsors, WISPUB, the Wharton School, Two Rock Software, Lincoln Loop, 6 Feet Up, Foxley Talent, JBS Dev. Our broad sponsors, Scout Monitoring, Sentry, and Test Driven IO. And of course, to the Django Software Foundation, Python Software Foundation for making our Opportunity Grants program happen. And our community sponsors, DEFNA, United States PostgreSQL Association, and Black Python Devs. A big thank you to our partners for all the services they provided us here. Discover Durham was a tremendous resource. If you're ever hosting an event in Durham, talk to them. Confreaks is absolutely amazing at capturing the video and getting it out for the world to see. White Coat Captioning blows my mind every time with their ability to capture all the domain, language, and abbreviations we use. American AV has made us look and sound fantastic all week long. Thank y'all. We've had a really large crew of on-site volunteers who have done a tremendous job of making things run smoothly here. Big thanks to our online volunteers. I know this is important for making sure the conference is accessible, enjoyable, and welcoming for people who couldn't be here in person. Our talk reviewers, it was a huge amount of work. Thank you. The DEFNA board, thank you for all your hard work. And our tutorial presenters on Sunday for making an awesome day and planting a lot of strong seeds. To our speakers, you all brought your perspective and expertise and shared it with us. I can't fit you on one slide. Thank you for making this conference so powerful and enlightening. Thank you to our wonderful panelists for sharing your experience and wisdom. And to our absolutely amazing keynote speakers, Sheena, Mario, and Natalia. Finally, will all the organizers please just join me on stage? These are the people who make the magic happen here. And I'm incredibly grateful to each and every one of them. Adam Fast, Afi Duffy, Andrew Mishar, Ariana Jipang, Benedict Kofi-Omofa, Carol Gans, Catherine Holmes, Doreen Wanyama, Drew Winstall, Emmanuel Aswa Dunfol, Emmanuel Owusu, Aaron Mullaney, Ezra Yindao, Hope Adoli, Jason Judkins, Jeff Triplett, Julius Bawaki, Katie Michael, Kenya Phelps, Kojo Idrisa, Kudzai Bamare, Lydia Talahun, Matthew Glassman, Monica Ayugi, Nathan Ziegler, Nicole Dominguez, Noah Alaru, Peter Grandstaff, Rachel Calhoun, Salim Nuru, Tim Allen, Tim Schilling, and Velda Chiara. Thank you all so much. Thank you. There's Catherine. All right, thank you everybody, and we will see you tomorrow at Sprints, right?
One more big round of applause, please, for Peter. Yeah!